Okay, in Safari, type in VSCode download Mac, click the first result, and click Mac. It will start downloading the app automatically. When done, move it to the application folder and launch Visual Studio Code. Once the program opens, go to the terminal and create the project folder. I'm going to name it cpp_project and go to the project folder and type in code space period. The reason we are doing this is to set this directory as the VS Code project directory, but it's complaining that code command cannot be found, and we just have to add the this code into the path. To install code into path, simply press Command P and type in path, and the first result will actually do this job for us. Click OK and type in your admin password, and now code has been installed to path, and now we type in again code space period, and it's going to open a new window containing this project directory. In order to use Visual Studio Code as a C++ development environment, we actually have to install some extensions because C++ is not supported by default. So we want to click this icon here and search for C/C++. And the C/C++ extension pack is actually what we want to install. This will install a bunch of extensions necessary and useful for developing C++ program with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we just want to create a simple project, probably a HelloWorld project, and I like to use CMake since I'm used to CMake from CLion. So in order to create a CMake project, what you can actually do is, again, press Command and P and type in CMake quick. Select the first one, and it's gonna ask whether we want to create the CMake list text file, and click yes, and now you just enter the project name and select whether it's a library or executable. In this case, an executable, and voila, it's got the main.cpp file, the CMake list file, all ready to go. To build this project, what we're gonna do is we're gonna right-click the CMake list file and then select build all projects. Then it's gonna go ahead and build a CMake project. As you see, we have this output that it has been built successfully. And to run this, we could either simply run this on the terminal. It's gonna be in the build folder. Or what we can also do is we can start debugging our program. So to do that, select Run and click Start Debugging. You want to select LLDB and you select Clang++, and the first time you have to type in admin password, and it creates the default launch JSON config file. You can take a look at here. And to debug and break, we simply click here you see this red dot indicating the breakpoint. And again, start debugging, and as you can see, the program breaks at line number 4. You can step out or continue. So now we have finally created a new C++ project on Visual Studio Code. We installed extensions. We are able to build, and we are also able to run, debug, break, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking!